In this video, I'm going to show you the shocking truth behind SpyderSystem, a product by Brandon Mace on the Warrior Plus platform. I'm going to show you what it is, some of the features, and how it all works. And I'm going to show you its total cost, including upgrades. At the end, I'm going to give you my overall opinion about SpyderSystem and tell you why you should not buy it or promote it, especially if you're a new marketer. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Serge, and on this channel I give out tips and make reviews about products that I think are legit or useless to new marketers for making money online. So if you're a new marketer to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know when I put my latest tip and review video. If you do like this video, please go ahead and click on that thumbs up button and leave a comment. That will help greatly with the algorithm, and I would very much appreciate it. And now, let's start. So what is SpyderSystem? According to the sales page, SpyderSystem is a smart push button system, spreads and grows free traffic 24/7, 365, and makes us 1,000 a pop over and over again. Question is, who exactly is us? Let's jump over to the software and see what it is. So now we're looking at the SpyderSystem dashboard, and from the left here you see we have a couple of options, and what we have is SpyderSystem. We got the option to manage our system webs. We create some new ones and manage the leads, and below that we have the instant traffic. We got some tutorials. We could upgrade, so that could be the OTOs, upgrade to premium, got done for you, unlimited leads, unlimited traffic, and license rights. So the first thing that popped out of me is that this is saying that I got the basic version here. However, on the sales page said that everything is provided pro version included free. So if the pro version is supposed to be included free, how come I have the basic version? Plus it says here to upgrade. If I click on this one, you'll see that it will come up with a sales page to upgrade here. Okay, so automatically that pretty much shows that they're not being truthful about what you're getting here on the sales page. Another issue is that on the sales page it says that you can set and forget the system with no maintenance and no expenses or hassle of after setup. However, if you go back to the dashboard, you have a done for you example here. So why do I need something to be done for me if it was easy to set up? So that doesn't make any sense to me to have that, and now you have a done for you, where this issue right here, the done for you, seems to be another upsell where you have to basically purchase this, right? When the sales page in the beginning says that, hey, you don't need anything, you can set that up yourself. So off the bat, some of these promises that are listed on the sales page does not reflect what we actually get here on the dashboard, that on the actual product itself to use. And that's a major red flag. Okay, let's go ahead and use this product here. So back to the dashboard, and we're gonna click on add web. And then we're going to see what we have here. It says customize your web name, enter campaign name. Okay, so let's add Savvy. And below that it says grab your affiliate URL, grab your link here. Let's click on that. And let's see what comes up. So, and now it looks like you have to request approval to promote a product by Brandon Mace, and that product name is Project Profit Academy. Okay, so price range $397 to $3,997. Okay, so let's click on products. Let's see exactly how much this costs. Project Academy, it looks like this Project Academy costs $1,997. Wow. Okay, so it's a high ticket item. So basically this product is to go ahead and promote a high ticket item, which is another product by Brandon Mace himself. Okay, interesting. So now it makes more sense what why they put make us, now make you, make us 1,000 a pop over and over again. Because if you get this product, you'll be promoting the Brandon Mace affiliate product called Project Profit Academy, which will make $1,000 for Brandon Mace and his team, because Profit Academy seemed to cost almost $2,000. And not only that, you will be getting 10% of any seller. Okay, so you'd be making about $200, and they'd be making the rest. So yeah, so technically they're pretty much right here. They're totally not. They're totally correct here that you'll be making them money about 1,000 pop over and over again. Okay, but it also seemed that the only affiliate product you promote would be that Profit Project Academy, because here on this sales page it says that you could promote any product, right, with any niche. However, they'll tell you to grab a link from Warrior Plus to promote Project Profit Academy, which is a Brandon Mace product, which is pretty interesting here. And I hope you guys really understand what's going on. So let's keep going forward. So let's see what's the next thing. So how many subscribers before referral can change affiliate? So I guess this is asking us to basically, whoever gets referral, how many subscribers they have to send before they can change their affiliate link. Okay, so let's put 1. All right, let's put our name, put search. All right, profile photo. Okay, let's use this guy right here and connect your autoresponder. Okay, let's see what we got here. So I don't have an autoresponder. Aweber, campaign monitor, get response. All right, contact, Mad Meanie, MailChimp. All right, let's click on the first one. I don't have an autoresponder. See if I'll use it locally. And okay, so go ahead and save and publish. All right, now here's our web copy landing page. Let's view this. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so how I earn $2,000 to $380 online every day. So this would be, okay, so this is the opt-in page. So, okay, so I guess we put in our email information here. Let's see what the thank you. Okay, so I guess, let me see. Are you sure you want to miss this? Okay, so let's see what the thank you page looks like. Let's click on view. Okay, so here's the thank you page, and it looks like there's a video by Brandon Mace. So click on here, and this video seemed to be about 2 hours and 8 minutes long. All right, so basically, so what this is saying is that you're basically going to promote Profit Academy. You would create a landing page for Profit Academy, and whoever sees that landing page, once they put their email address, they'll get this video and watch it. And once they watch it, they'll basically click here, create an account, and then if they purchase Profit Academy, you would get the commission. That person would be your referral, and then whenever they promote it, and those will go to you as well until they give you, until they meet the limit that you added earlier of how many referrals they have to send to you before they can change the affiliate link. So this is this is like a clever product here to make money online, to make Brandon Mace richer. Okay, so you probably are going to use SpyderSystem to make Brandon Mace richer. Now, if we go and look at Brandon Mace's profile here on Warrior Plus, you will see that in his products, he has a lot of products here. So he has the SpyderSystem here, which we're taking a look at. He has so far at 500 plus sales, but as we know, this product is actually promoting another product, which is called Project Profit Academy, and here it is right here. And this product itself already has over 1,000 plus sales, going for $397. Wow! So he's been trying to make one product make the other product more money. So this is pretty clever. This is a pretty clever marketing system here to make other new marketers or new affiliates promote your product by giving you more sales. It's pretty clever. Now, Back to the dashboard. Let's check out instant traffic here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and select my campaign, hit Savvy, the campaign I created, and here it comes with a bunch of traffic sources. Now, if you guys were paying attention, if we go back to the campaign I created, so let me go to Manage Spiderwebs, and I went and I'm going to edit it. I did not put any affiliate link. Okay, so I went to grab my link, where it says grab your link, and I did not put any affiliate link here whatsoever. And it automatically created a landing page for Project Profit Academy. So how I'll be able to promote this product with no link? SpyderSystem is designed to promote Project Profit Academy no matter what you put in there, which does not matter. So this is a tutorial showing a 10-minute video of how to use the SpyderSystem. And below that, we got the done for you upgrade, as well as the upgrade to premium. I'm guessing this is the pro version. And the next upgrade is done for you. And we've got the unlimited leads and unlimited traffic, and the last OTO, which is license rights. And now I'm going to talk about the total costs and how much all these upgrades cost combined. Okay, the first product is the front-end product called SpyderSystem Pro, and that comes at a cost of $11.24. Now, as you see, the front-end product is called SpyderSystem Pro. However, when you actually go in the dashboard, you get the basic system. Now, if you guys are wondering if this is demo, no, it's not, because here is my actual purchase of this product. See, SpyderSystem Pro for that price. So I actually purchased this product, but however, I only got the basic version. So let's continue. So the first OTO you get is the premium version, and that comes out cost for $47. If you pass on that, you can get the premium version special at $27. The next OTO is done for you, and that comes out a cost of $197. If you pass up on that, you could get for the downsell price of $97. The next OTO is the unlimited leads, and that comes at a cost of $197. If you want a discount, you get it for the price of $97. The next OTO is the unlimited traffic program, and that comes at a cost of $197, or you can get that at the discount for $97. And the last OTO is license rights to everything, and that comes at a price of $197, or you can get that at a special discount for just $67. So that comes at a total cost between $396.24 on the low end and $816.24 on the high end. So what are my final thoughts about SpyderSystem? If you do not want to make Brandon Mace and his team $1,000 a pop over and over again, please avoid this software. Okay, this software did not live up to the hype. Some of the claims there are totally misleading, like everything is provided, pro version included for free. That's misleading. Set and forget it without no maintenance. That's also misleading. No expenses or hassles after setup. That's also misleading. Works in any niche you want. That's also misleading. And some of these are actual upsells. You actually have to buy an upsell for these items here. So that did not come with the original front-end product, as it says here on the sales page. Now here's another issue that they hyped up. They say that they were also going to give you for free a premium autoresponder and a premium funnel builder. However, they actually mentioned here is that the SpyderSystem has nothing to do with the website, no videos, no e-com, no email marketing, no autoresponders, no hosting, no YouTube, no social media, none of that stuff. So none of that stuff is needed or required to use the SpyderSystem. Also, what autoresponder did they include in this software? I don't see any autoresponders that they included that they were giving us. all these autoresponders are actually autoresponders that we should have already to use the software. So that was totally misleading there too. All in all, this is a shiny object aimed at new marketers to get them to spend money and waste time and not get any real results. This right there says it all of who they're really actually aiming at to buy this product. And one more thing I would like to add is that I would be very suspicious of anyone promoting this product and did not mention anything I'll talk about in this video that you should be concerned or be aware of. To me, it will show that whoever the promoter is does not care about you and doesn't care if you get into some serious trouble. So I recommend that you be very careful. And that, everyone, is my truth bomb about SpyderSystem. If you did purchase this product, please let me know in the comments, how has it worked out for you? Was there anything I said that you disagreed or agreed with? If you enjoyed and got a lot of value from this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest tips and reviews. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care.